Hey, good evening, everyone. So, in last few days, we saw multiple strategies like channel strategy, RRR, GGG strategy, or it can be like order block strategy, multiple strategies using TradingView. So, today I'm going to show a strategy where you can directly take trades without using TradingView directly on the Ninja Trader. I want to explain you like how we can do that and how we can make some trades. Uh, yeah, using Ninja Trader, so you don't need to pay for trading view subscription or like that. So first thing, right? Generally, what we do is we look at for that right last 2 3 hours. What are the major bullish or bearish tickers? And we generally know during the Asian market, your metals like silver or it can be platinum, gold, they will have a good move. And also natural gas, crude oil, the those also right. Energy and metals generally they move well during is a market session, whereas indices like ES, NQ, RTY, YM, all of them moved well during US market. So what we can do is, right, either you sort and look like, okay, palladium is moving, but there is very less volume. Then we have silver. Then we have natural gas. Bitcoin is also going down. Ethereum is also going down. So these are like our top three or top four in the bearish. In the same way, in the bullish, you can see wheat is going up, corn is going up, soybean meal is going up, soybean futures is going up, soybean oil is going up, copper is also little bullish. Like that, you will see the bullish and bearish. Right? I hope that step is clear, right? We'll identify out of this entire list which one are moving up or which one are moving down. Once you do that, you we can go to Ninja Trader and you can create the tabs for each of them. Right? For example, crude oil, gold. And then what I'll do is I'll add all different indicators, right? For example, we have different indicators which we developed, like we'll add um, mainly RC beta, RC channel, and also we have one more we recently developed called as RC Ultimate D. Like this, we'll add all these ones, and then we will add our strategy, right? One of our tab strategies, which is the Prism strategy. And you can all do either short only, long only, or you can do both directions. And what you do is initially you set it up into the sim account, right? Instead of directly taking the trades on the right on your PA or EA accounts, you can set it up on sim account and you just apply. So I enabled my CL because CL also generally moves well. I enabled gold in the same way platinum and the indicators. So basically, what you are doing is you are enabling your algo on a simulation account. And also you are adding different indicators. So when algo gives a buy signal or sell signal in your simulation account, it will take a position. Right? That is waiting for algo to take some position. And then I'll explain you what we need to do. Right? Again, you can let algo to take the positions by itself in your in your EA accounts or PA accounts. But sometimes if market is very choppy, that can be risky. That's why what we are trying to do is algo will still enter the trades, If it is a good trade, we will enter into our EA and PA accounts. If we think it is not a good trade, you don't enter in the EA or PA accounts. First step is we went and saw like which one are moving up and down, right? Which are bullish, which are bearish. And then I am creating a tab for each of those tickers. And then I am just adding some indicators and then I am enabling the strategy so that the algo, whenever it thinks like it is a good one, it will enter the trade. So make sure you have these boxes are enabled. That means the algo is enabled on those tickers. If the box is not there, that means you did not enable the algo. Right? Because suddenly there might be a big spike, right? Because of some news or something. So the algo might quickly enter a buy signal. There can be a huge candle and then it may start dropping later, right? So to avoid such type of scenarios, what we can do is we are allowing the algo to take the trades in a sim account. And if we see that, okay, it is a good buy signal, it is a good signal, then we can just enter into our master account and that will copy into all the other accounts. Right, I'll share some, right, we'll see in the live session, we will understand it better. I'm enabling the chart. Right, our step one is go to trading view. Like I can see that these ZW, ZC, ZM, ZS, ZL, these are little bullish today. Right, generally metals used to be bullish, but today all these commodities they are moving good. Then I also see that silver, natural gas, NQ, Bitcoin, platinum, some of these are very bearish today. So ZW, ZC, ZM, ZS. Right, once I identify the tickers, my second step is come and enable the right, add our RC indicators, and then add the RC Prism strategy on a sim account instead of directly taking it. Then we are just adding it here and enable the strategy. So right now, let me take you to a chart, and let me quickly give some. So we have here different indicators here, right? For example, this is like our ultimate indicator. Whenever you see a right here, you have all green, green, red, red. Suddenly you saw a different green color here, right? That means generally it is indicating that price will go up now. At the same time, let us see you also, right? This is another indicator giving that oh, price will go up. Let us say now you got a buy signal, right? This indicator is telling price will go up. This indicator is telling price will go up. This channel indicator is telling that oh, price is below the channel. So there is a high chance to price to go up. And now let us say you got a buy signal, right? That is the best opportunity, right? The Prism algo is giving a buy somewhere here, right? Prism is taking on a sim account, but other indicators also giving a confluence. This ultimate is telling the price will go up, right? By showing a different color. Then this indicator is showing a up arrow and changing the shadow to green shadow, telling that price will go up. The channel indicator is telling that our price is below the channel, so price will go up. So you have so many confluences, different indicators are giving the same signal that price will go up, right? Then you can immediately, right? The algo will take it in a sim account. You can just change it to, right, whichever account you want. I want to take in, right? For example, this is my master account. Whenever it takes in a sim account, you can just go and, right? You are not analyzing anything. Whenever you get a notification that, oh, a news, right? It took a signal. Prism took a buy in this sim account. Then whenever it takes it, you will come and say, okay, is there a right this green highlighted? Is there a green here? Is it below the channel? Okay, then this is the perfect one. You want one quantity or two quantity, you can immediately just go and do buy market or buy bid. In the same way, right? After some time, you got a sell signal, right? This is like your sell zone, right? Price went all the way to the top to the sell zone, and then Prism, let us say Prism gave a sell signal, and Prism is taking right, a short opportunity in the sim account. You want to check, okay, when Prism gave the sell signal, is my this beta giving a red signal? Is my alpha giving a red signal? Is my ultimate D, right? You can see that the red bar here is highlighted. So all these are also telling that price this ES will go down. Then, right, you are not just depending on the Prism algo. All the other three indicators also giving you the same signal. Then you can be very confident. You can take two or three contracts. Like that, whenever you receive a buy signal or sell signal, or whenever Prism is taking a position, but directly instead of copying it into your EA account or PA account or your individual personal account, what we are doing is we are letting the algo to take a position in a SIM account. And when it takes in SIM account, immediately you will go and check whether all the other indicators are also giving a similar signal. If they also give a similar signal, immediately you can go and enter a long or short position, right? And then whenever again algo closes, you can close the positions, right? Again, right? If you want, you can let algo handle it, but this is more safe way where you are letting algo to enter the trades. You are letting algo to enter the trades in a sim account, and you are just checking for a confluence. If all the other indicators also giving you similar signal, then you are 100% sure that it will make nice profits. You can just change it to whichever is your master account, right? Initially it placed in a sim account. Now you can change it to master account and just place the trade. The trade will get copied into all the other accounts. So now, right, I think you heard that it submitted an order. Let us go and see positions. It submitted in Ethereum, right? You can see that it took a long in silver, it took a long in Ethereum. Let us go to silver. Where is silver long? So we have silver long here. We got a RC buy. But do you think is it a great opportunity, right? It is not at the bottom of the channel, right? It is not exactly at the bottom. This indicator did not give anything, and yeah, we don't have a proper confidence, so we can just avoid, right? It took it in a sim account, so just you can avoid taking it in a real EA or PA account. Let us look at MET, right? MET, it gave, right? Overall MET is bullish. Let me add. So again, we got a buy signal. But again, when you get a buy signal below the channel, that is the best opportunity. So here is the right time to actually, right? You got a green highlighter, you got a buy signal here, you got a buy zone here. Still, it is okay to take it, but not a great opportunity. But if you want to take it, you can go in. For example, you can say buy bid. Mm. Mm, mm. Yeah, just I took a, right, because it is close to overall it is bullish, right? Somewhere here there is a green signal here, there is a buy here, and this one is overall bullish, right? If you look at the, we did not enable the ultimatum. Yeah, but I hope you got it right. For example, if you got it somewhere here, right? Here this is telling, right, by giving this green, this one is telling that Ethereum will go up. This one also gave, right, before some time itself, this one also gave alpha indicator, gave that this will go up. And we are on this green zone where that is like a buy zone. So because already they gave and now this prism gave a buy, because we have a confidence from multiple of them, we just entered a position here, right? So whenever algo takes a signal, we'll just go and see if that is a good one. If we think it is a good one, we can just go and enter it. If we see that it is not a great place, right? This is sim account, this is sim account, and this is like one of the EA accounts. So it took it in silver, but because it is very close to the sell zone again, we did not enter it. Right, immediately you have these red zones, and also it is very close to the. So if you see here, you got a green, and then you got a red highlighter. So we don't have a proper confluence between various indicators. Even though algo took it, it might be a fake signal or it might be a choppy signal. So we avoided taking a position for silver long. But whereas for Ethereum, it was looking okay. So we went ahead and took for Ethereum. Yet again, this is one way, right? It doesn't mean that you have to follow. Just I'm sharing all different ways which you can do. If you don't want to use TradingView and NinjaTrader together, then you can just use this. Right? Just like in TradingView, we are looking for a confluence of multiple indicators and we are taking the trade. In the same way, here also, Algo will take the trade in a sim account. You will see whether other indicators are also showing a similar signal. Then you can enter in the real account. If not, you can just ignore it. Yeah, you can use normal. So here you can see how much profit you made, right? For the 2 micros, we made $1 profit. And then, yeah, basically, Algo is taking trades directly into the sim accounts. Let's go and look at. So here price went up, but immediately there was a drop. So that's the reason we did not right take the signal because generally if it is at a buy order or if it is at a sell order, they are the best place to take the trades. If it is in between the buy orders and sell orders, it is always risky. So this is the MET signal or MET indicator, MET chart, where it went to the sell order block, came all the way down, touched the buy order block, going up. Again, there is another buy order block. Again, it started bouncing up. So overall, right, we took that MET long, which is looking good. We did not take the silver because there was no proper confluence with other indicators. Here we already made a nearly $12.5 with the MET. Right, again, just we took 2 micros. If we have taken 20 micros, it would have been $125. But I want to explain the concept, right? Instead of we allowing the algo to directly take the trades in the EA or PA accounts or personal accounts, we are selecting a SIM account first. Once it is taking the trades in SIM account, right, you have to go and click on this one, right? If you go to the top and click on this chart trader, if you click here, you will see this buy market, sell market. So initially we are just using a SIM account here. So initially, whenever algo takes a trade, it will take it in a SIM account. When it takes in a SIM account, then we'll go and see, okay, is it a good place, right? Is there a buy from this? Is there a buy from this? And now Prism also gave a buy. So if all the three are matching, then yeah, we'll go and take it in the real account. If you see that one of them is not giving a proper confidence, then you can just ignore the signal, right? You have so many tickers. You have crude oil, gold, platinum, silver, NKD, copper, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Then you have wheat, corn. So many. So you will have plenty of opportunities instead of taking every. Just if you enable the algo, right? For example, silver is so choppy now. So it went up, it came down, again it went up. So sometimes there can be a big candles like this where it may take a buy signal, it went all the way down. Again, it went all the way up quickly, right? In that scenarios, your algos might cause a problem. That's where we went and checked, right? Is it a good point to take a buy? No, they right. This did not give us a confidence. This also we are near a red zone, so we did not enter a long position there. If price comes all the way to the bottom, and then if we get the next buy, we can enter a buy signal. But as of now, because it is at the top, getting a right doing a buy is not a great idea there. You don't need to buy any real-time data in TradingView if you are using some Apex TraderWeight account or any other TraderWeight account. Apex will give you the real-time data. You don't need to buy it. Then algorithm will open and also close the trades. We don't need to do anything. Algo will do it, but again, if you want to be right, when scenarios like this, there is a big candle, it gave a buy, but immediately next candle, it suddenly it went down. So again, it will give a sell now, right? Once the candle gets closed, it will give a sell. So if market is very choppy or market is sudden up and downs, the algos might give such type of errors or such type of loss in that scenarios. That's where Instead of directly allowing the algo to take the trade in our prop accounts or our individual accounts, we are just using the algo to take the trades in sim account, and then we will take the trades if we think like it is a good position, right? It is at the bottom of the channel. We got a green this one. Then we can it submitted another, right? It took a sell now. So yeah, platinum it took a short, silver also it took a short, copper also it took a short. So let us go and see, right? Let us go and see for copper. So HG took a short, right? It went and touched the red zone and then started dropping. You have a sell signal here, and it went outside the channel. It is looking, mm, yeah, not a very good opportunity, but then platinum also it gave a, yeah, nothing is right. Everything is looking very choppy today. This is also, if we get a sell at the top, that is good, but it is close to the bottom. Okay. If you're getting it, that's fine. Otherwise, we can go back to trading view. Right? What I want to show you is if market is choppy, algos can just give a buy and sell. That can create some issues. So that's why instead of directly enabling EA or PA accounts, if market is trending, right? If, for example, if you go to trading view and see really all of them, right? Generally, if you see more than 1%, 1.5%, that means they are good bullish or bearish. Today, most of them are like zero point 0.7, zero point 0.6, zero point 0.5, zero point 0.3, zero point 0.2, right? Nearly nothing very bullish, or only I think silver is looking little bearish. Silver and palladium, but volume is very less. Only thing which is looking a little better is silver. There is a big sell order here. If I want, I can. Right, overall, this is very, very bearish. Right, all the time frames it is bearish, and you got a sell signal here, and there is a big sell order here, right? 1.4 thousand sell order. So it tried to go up, touch that, and then started dropping. So immediately, right, I took a short position and I closed it. Yeah. Still, it can go touch this point or this point and then bounce back. So Algo took the short, right? Earlier it took a small loss with the long position, but immediately it took the short position. It made nearly $900, and then it made $100 with GC short. It made $90 with platinum short. So yeah, I think what we should have done is just yeah, instead of enabling both the sides, right? We know that all these are bearish, so we should have just enabled short only. So that would have not taken the long position, but it would have taken only the short position. Right here we can go to the strategy. Yeah, let's the position is already going on. So, but you see that right without our manual, if you think like okay, $1,000 is good enough, you can just right click, close position, right? So you saw nearly $700 with silver quickly. You can just close the positions, or you got $100 with $110 with gold short, with platinum short, with copper short. So yeah, we should have just looked at the trend because the trend is bearish for all these tickers. Uh, we can just enable short on the option, right? Instead of enabling the long only and then looking at every signal, just we can, for example, the all these are looking bullish. So for all these tickers, whichever are bullish, you will go to strategies and change them to right, make only long only. Right, hope you're getting it. Instead of enabling both the sides, just look at the overall trend, right? In this session, how they are, right? They are going down. They are in a down trend. So look at the tickers which are very bearish and just open short only. Then that would have quickly made $700-800 on silver. Right? Again, we took manually, but manually we may, right? I closed only for $300 or so. But if the algo is taking it, that will give more gains compared to what we generally book with the manual. Only thing is, you see, right? For example, if something is looking red like this, completely red, the best thing is to enable short only. If you see palladium, it is nearly 3, 5, 15, 60, 240. Everything is red. Only 30 minutes is little sideways, right? Choppy. So again, majority is red, so best for short. Natural gas, again 3, 5, 15, 30, 62, for everything is red. So just enable short only. So whenever your trend is very, very bearish, we don't want to enter in the bullish side. There might be the pullbacks may be only for small time, but the bearish moves will be very big, right? It went a little bit up and then it dropped so much. So on all these tickers, wherever it is very, very bearish, right here it is a mix. 3, 5 are green, 15, 30 they are red. So whenever you see a clear trend like platinum, silver, palladium, right? You just enable short only on those tickers. Right? If you see a ticker where everything is green, right? Let us look if this one is, yeah, nearly 3, 5, 15 is green, right? Mainly for day trading, what we want is 3, 5, 15 should be green, right? If 260, 240 are green, that means it is also good for swing trading. You can hold positions for more than a day or so. So this is little choppy. 315 is choppy, so we can avoid that. Here, even though it shows 0.5%, but still overall it is looking bearish, so not a good ticker to enable for long only. This is also looking good for short only. Even though the percentage change is 0.5% up, but still the overall trend is looking bearish. So you can enable short only option with the algo. ZS only 3 and 5 are green. Minimum if 3, 5, 15, all the three are bullish, we can do a long only. If 3, 5, 15 are red, we can do short only. If it is not either right here, 3, 5 is red, 15 is also little bearish, so we can all do uh, short only on this one. So like that, if you just watch based on the trend, if we enable the direction, so here it is looking good for long only. We can go and enable the direction. Once we, so this is also looking good for long, right? UB is looking good for long. ZB is looking good for long. That means there is a high chance for them to go up. If there is a buy signal, they will go well. ZL soybean oil futures is looking good. So just look at the trend. Based on that, you enable long only or short only on those tickers. Let's look at crude oil. The crude oil, you can see that it is very, very bearish. So around 7 o'clock, you can just enable short only on this. It will make nice profits. Once you see some to $300, you close the trade. Then going back here, you can go and strategies. No, sorry. Now I can directly enable in the account. Yeah, GC there is no proper trend, right? 3 is looking red, 5 is looking sideways, 15 is looking bullish. When you see no proper direction, better you avoid it or take manual trades on that. Right? Algo can result in losses when you take this type of tickers. Right? If everything changes to green, at that time you can enable long only. But as of now, it is not looking good. If you go to copper, yeah, copper is looking very bearish. Okay, let me go to each tab. Right, CL we already checked it. It is overall looking bearish. Okay, now let us go to gold. Gold, if we go to trading view, where is gold? Right, overall it is looking more bullish than bearish. Right, the trend is looking bullish, so I can go and change it to bullish. Right, generally we do it before 7 itself. So yeah, just we have to watch the what is the trend, and based on that we will enable the direction. So we will be generally now platinum. If we go and check for the platinum, yet again, if you can take manual trades, that is the best thing. This is for members who cannot, right, take the manual trades, are busy and they want to, right. Overall, it is bearish, even though it is at a buy order zone, it may go up and again go down much further. So I can just enable short only. Right, I'll go to the chart, strategies, apply, short only. Same thing, silver also we saw earlier. Right, silver is also overall bearish, even though it came touch the buy order going, but again it may go touch this and again drop. So we can go and make it short only. Let's look at NKD. NKD is NKD is also looking okay. It is looking little choppy, right? 3 minutes, 5 minutes is choppy. 15 is bullish. 60 is bullish. So better to avoid, right? Just keep it on a sim account itself. If you don't see a clear trend, better you keep them on the sim. Otherwise, that may result in the losses. Now, going back, okay, NKD, we are not touching it, just keeping it in the sim itself. Then we are looking at copper. Which, yeah. Overall, right, overall it is looking 15, 60 to 40. 3 and 5 are little choppy as of now, but higher time frames are very bearish. There is a big sell order here. So if price goes and touch that, again it may drop. So we can enable short only. We have short only on copper, on Bitcoin. Bitcoin also looking more bearish than bullish. So we can enable short only on Bitcoin also. Right? Whichever is the master account, you can select that. And if it starts dropping, then you will make profits. It will make the profits in all the accounts. So yeah, you can just sell market and close this one. And I'm enabling strategies. Like, okay, let's go and check whether this is also in the bearish. Right, this one also 315 choppy, 3060. Yeah, overall it is also looking right. If you look at the overall percentage change, this is also little bearish. So we'll go and just change it to apply short only. Now the next one is ZC. That corn is looking, yeah, it is smaller time frames, it is bullish. Longer time frames, it is bearish. And we can use long only. Or if you think like it is already above the channel, there is a chance for it to reverse back and then bounce back. If we want, we can also put short only if you want to take that opportunity. Actually, we can make some profits here with short. ZW also went all the way to the top of the channel. There is a high possibility for it to drop because it is above the channel. We can take a short only on this. ZM also went all the way to the top. Now close for a sell signal. This also went all the way to the top. So there is a high possibility for it to drop. Right? If it is generally at the bottom of the channel, we can do long only. If it is at the bottom or top of the channel, it is close to the support sell zone. So ES also went out to the top of the channel. Right? Overall, it is in a downtrend. And it went to the top of the channel. So there is a high possibility for it to drop now. So earlier we got this signal, we got this signal. So this is the right time to do long. Now because it is already at the top, we can do short only. And generally, if ES is bearish, then NQ also will be bearish. During this time, you can either go with 4 5 MNQs or NQ is also okay during this time because generally, right, you won't have sudden volatility during this time. So like that, you can write, you can have 40 tickers, 50 tickers. The algo will look at all the charts whenever it thinks it is a right time, right? When you see buy at the bottom, we do long only. When you see at the top, especially if it is a bearish sticker, that is much more better opportunity if you see at the top of the channel. And once we set up all these charts, whenever it takes a new position, right, we can let algo to take the positions. If we want, we can exit out, or we can let algo to exit the positions also. We don't need to do anything. Only thing is we will either look at the channel strategy, right? If it is at the bottom, we'll do long only. If it is at the top, we'll do short only. Or we'll look at the right. You have to again go to each one and look at like what is the trend, right? Okay, if UB is looking everything green, right? That means there is a high possibility for it to maybe go a little bit down and then bounce back. So I can just open. So now it is just moving in a sideways direction. Okay, overall it is bullish. We can avoid UB. But basically now we'll wait for the algo to take the signals. We enabled all the directions based on where it is. We enable the directions. Now copper it may take a shot. Silver it may take a shot. So because manually if you are taking trades, maybe we can watch one or two charts. But when you have some 4 5 very bullish, 4 5 very bearish, you can enable all the charts, and then algo will start taking the signals for them. If we think if we make some $500-600 quickly, you want to close it, you can close the trade and wait for the next signal. Right? Again, all these are different ways, different strategies. Whichever you feel like okay, RRRGG strategy is better, easy for me, you can do that. Or you feel like okay, whenever it comes, touches the order block, you get a buy signal here, then you just go long. Right? If it goes and touch this, and then you get a red dot, then it will come all the way down. Just wait for those order blocks. For example, now it went and touches the order block. If it starts dropping, then it will come back all the way to the bottom. Now we have a big order block. In case if we get a buy signal here, it can start going up. When it touches the order block, and then it started going up. So whichever strategy you think is easy for you to utilize, you can use that, right? We have so many, right? 3 to 4 different strategies. It can be channel down, channel up strategy. It can be order block strategy. It can be R3 or G3 strategy. Right, we made some quick $250-300 with silver short. Clear. Touch the order block, started going up. In case if it reverses, then again we can make profits with the short one more time. In Ninja, we enabled all the tabs and we are waiting for the algo to take the trades now. So when you enable all the tickers, right, for 1 or 2 hours also, you don't need to keep watching the screen. Even if 1 or 2 tickers are choppy, but if there are other tickers you can make profits, so then you will be overall, you will be green at the end of the day. And you don't need to watch 7 to 8 charts at a time, right? Algo will take care of all the charts. You looked at which are the bullish and which are the bearish. You added all those tabs to the chart. And based on if they are at the bottom of the channel, you gave top, right, long only. If it is at the top of the channel, you give short only. So whenever the direction reverses and it starts going up or going down, you will start making profits on all those charts. So if we get a sell signal now, that will be a good opportunity on silver, right? I enabled one algo on the indicate on the Ninja Trader. So that will take care of all the my automation trades. I just looked at where they are at the channel. I enabled those. And then if you want, you can also manually watch 1 or 2 charts, whichever like it may be silver, it may be gold, and you can just use your strategies and make money. Because overall silver is bearish. When it was going down, we took some profits. Again, it bounced back, touched the sell zone. Again, if we get a sell signal now, we can enter a short again. It may come all the way down. All right, we are only worried about these ones. So Okay, long on GC, okay, short on ZM. Right, we are waiting for the sell signal now. If we get a sell signal and if we get a red dot, that will be a good opportunity. To enable the algos and ninja trader, and we are trying to take some manual trades. We are waiting for silver to give a sell signal. Right? Until we get a sell or buy, we don't take anything. Only when you get a sell, then you will wait. You will watch whether you have confluence from other indicators, then you will enter the signal. We got a buy signal for soybean, but immediately there is a big sell order here. So that's why we are not entering a buy signal. Yeah, we are still waiting for signal from silver and also signal from gold. In case if we get a buy signal, we can enter long, but yeah, that is also risky. Once we set the notification, they will show whenever there is a buy or sell signal. For heating oil, it went all the way to the top of the channel. There is a strong resistance at the top. So in case if we get a sell signal, it will make some nice profits. So this is one opportunity, and then we are waiting for silver and copper. Today market is little slow compared to every day. There is not much momentum. So there is a big sell order block here, but still it is little choppy, going up and down. We are waiting for it to start coming down. Once it starts dropping, and if we get a sell signal, we can easily make another $200-300 minimum. Just think like if you have 20, 30 PA accounts, right? Even if you make $200, it will be like five to $6,000, right? So don't think like you are just making $200 by waiting 2 hours. But the 200 when you scale up with multiple accounts, so do you right? We work for 40, $50, $60 billing rate. If you can make 5,000, 6,000, it is okay to even you wait 1 hour or 2 hours. Just wait for the right opportunity, and that will become like a practice. Once you in the EA accounts, if you can learn that, then in the PA you will be doing in much better way. Right? That is where you will be really making money. So just wait for the right opportunity. Right? Today you may have 10 accounts, tomorrow 20, later you may have 100 accounts. Right? For the same $100, you multiply with 100. That means your billing rate is increasing from $50 to $1,000 to $10,000. So all we need is just that patience and wait for the right setup. Just whenever you see the right setup, just take the signal. Right? Most probably we should get a right. It went all the way to the top of the channel. We got a doji here. It should again drop. So this is one thing which is looking good. Right. And then silver also we should drop. UB made a drop, but it already dropped so much within one candle. Right. Nikki came all the way to the mid of the channel. But all we want is just one good opportunity. That's it. Every day, if you take one, right? Already we made $300 with silver short, but still there is another opportunity with silver and also with heating oil. Heating oil also should drop now back to just we are waiting for the sell signal. For the sake of 3%, 4% hike, you'll spend a lot of hours in office for entire year, right? That 4% will not even compensate to the inflation. But still, you do so much of work and you try to impress your manager. Here, if you can spend even 10% of that effort, you have a huge potential. Only thing is, we need to wait for the right setup and then just take it. Once your rule satisfy, just take the trade and make that 200, $300 done for the day. Yeah, right. When these orders get filled, that will get updated. Now to know which one is right setup, I already created multiple rules. Right. For example, when something comes to the bottom of the channel, you get a buy opportunity. That is always a good opportunity. If something goes outside and you get a sell opportunity, that is a right. It came and you have a strong support. It came outside the channel, it touched the support, and then it started bouncing up. Right? We missed it. Right? We took the shot. We missed taking the long opportunity because overall silver was bearish. We did not take a risk in taking long opportunity because we also saw there is a big sell order here. But yeah, there are certain rules. You have to follow those rules. Whenever all those rules satisfy, if you take an opportunity, then 95% of the time you will be in profits. Heating oil, we got a sell. Just we are waiting for a right. If we get a red dot here, it is outside the channel. We got a sell opportunity. If the background becomes red or this becomes red, then yeah, we can enter. Now also we can enter. Right, I've kept a limit order here at 2.3861. Right, whenever price goes to the top of the channel, it is always a good opportunity. So it should minimum come all the way till here. So I sold at 2.3856. So if I even buy back at 2.3855 or 54, still that is also a profit because there is a widespread 5 ticks spread is there. That's why even though you may see it like a loss, really it is, if I close it here, it is still a profit. Again, the average price is 2.3859. So even if we sell at 2.3850, that would make nearly 40, 50 to $60 in one account. It's okay. Gold started dropping now. So I took a short on silver, 31.225. Again, it can go little more down. But again, if you have 20 PA accounts, that single trade is nearly $6,000-7,000, right? And you don't need to stop with 20 PA. Once you have 20 PA, you work with another company, get few more PAs. Work with another company, get few more PAs. You can connect all of them using replicanto. So we saw that there is a big order block. We just waited for the sell signal, right? Overall, it is bearish. So that's it, right? You wait for the right setup. Sell signal, you got a sell here, you got a sell here, we got the red background, right? We got all the confirmations. So we can confidently hold the trade. And once you are happy with 350 into 20 is $7,000, right? Most of us are not making that in IT jobs, even if you work per entire month. Making 7,000 is difficult. So that's it. What we need to do is have patience, wait for the right setup, wait for your rules, right? Our rule is you should have a sell order here. Your background should be red. You should get a sell signal. That's it. And it should be a bearish ticker. Everything satisfied. We took a trade. We made 350 on one account, but it is connected to another 20-30 accounts. So you make profits in all those accounts. Some of those accounts can be evaluation, which will help you to make performance account. Some of some of those accounts are real performance. That means whatever you make, that is your real profit. So that's it, right? Earlier we took once it started dropping, we made some $150 profit. Now again we made another $350 profit. Then we have heating oil. Heating oil is it went up little bit, but again, right, it is at the top of the channel. If we wait for some more time, this will also drop. It actually, I think, yeah, it dropped, but yeah, blocks look different, right? For example, if you are watching in 1 hour, then it will show like in millions or in hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you watch in 1 minute, it may show only small numbers because it is showing that in that 1 minute time, how many orders, sell orders, buy orders are there. When you manually close the position from Ninja, yeah, bot will not stop. You have to go and disable it, right? For example, you go here, right here. It made nearly on copper. It made $362. Uh, in the real account, it made $412. On NQ, it made $230. On ES, it made $112. On silver, it made $300. So like this, you have to, right? You can go here, strategies. You can just disable all these boxes, right? You can go to positions, right? For example, you are happy with $425 on copper. You just close position. You are happy with $150 on NQ, $230, 235, 245. So, right, both of them got their own advantage. So NQ, you got a sell signal. If you it shows $245 profit. So it can, right, it went all the way to the top of the channel. It can still drop further. So I can hold for more time. So the advantage with this one is you can open any number of charts at same time. The bot will keep watching. Whenever there is a sell signal, it will take it, and it will. So only if market is when there is no volume, if it is very choppy, that is where there is little risk. Otherwise, bots can make huge profits. Right, even though you may make one or two small losses, but the other trades will keep you right. For example, where is HG? Right, HG dropped all this. Right, it took a sell signal. So we made nearly 400, $450 with this. NQ is also can make minimum $300 or more. Right, because it is at the top of the channel. So it can come all the way down. Overall, NQ is bearish. You got a sell signal and it is dropping now. It can come minimum till the midpoint or can go all the way to the bottom. So, right, one is you can make money like this doing manual trading. Right, if you give some more time, this will also turn into profits. Right, where is our silver? So you got a sell alert. Right, again you got a big sell order. You got a sell. You got a red background. Overall, it is a bearish ticker. Gold also dropped. Copper also, you got a sell and drop. So it is up to you, right? If you can take the right trades at right time, then you can do manual trading. Or you want algo to handle it, then you enable all those. Then algo, especially if it is a trending, right? If there is a uptrend or downtrend, algos can make thousands of dollars. If it is little choppy, that is where we'll have some issues with algos. But overall, if there is some good news or bad news in the market, algos will, right? They won't have any emotion. They will give big profits. Right? We may book small profits, but they will wait for a. It may wait until all this come to this point. It will wait to book the profits. HG will, yeah, right. It came all the way to the bottom, so it will definitely bounce back. But because overall trend is bearish, generally better you focus on the sell signals. Right? It may bounce and it may go somewhere till the midpoint, and again it may drop further. So when the trend is bearish, always look for the sell signal. They will make more profits. Your buy signal may make small profit, but your sell signal will make higher profits. So yeah, when we take manual trades, you will have more control, but you cannot see two, four, five charts at same time. Whereas when you are enabling algo, Prism algo, that will look at the price action. If price is becoming bearish, immediately it will take a sell. If price is becoming bullish, it will take a buy. So you can enable it on all the charts, and the algo will take the trade. Whenever you are comfortable with the profits, you just close the positions. Or it will also do by itself. But if you don't want to wait, if you want to take profits, you can just close the positions and stop the algo. You can always go to you can go here, go to strategies, and you can just uncheck these. Your strategy will get disabled. If you want to close the positions, right, one is you can go to the positions tab, and for example, you got $150 on silver, or you got $190 on NQ. You can just click on that close position, right, $180 on GC. Like that, you can close manually, or you let algo take it. If there is a big downtrend or uptrend, they will make thousands of dollars. You don't need to do anything. Only when there is not much volume or if it is choppy, it will go up, come down, go up, come down. That is where we may have little risk with algos. But if there is good amount of volume, they will make nice gains. But yeah, copper may bounce, but it will take some time, right? We need to get the green dot here. We need to get a buy signal. We need to get the green, right? Here, this is the perfect opportunity, right? You got a sell, you got a sell, you got the sell signal, you got the red background, everything paid up at same time. So it made nearly $500 with the algo. Yeah, you can configure stop loss on the algo. Right, when you go to the chart, you can always go here. Right, silver is making nice profits. Right, in the strategies, right, you can put like I kept a stop loss of. You can put like whatever you want. Yeah, that many ticks. Right, there is not points, but that many ticks. Gold, it is like every 1 point is 10 ticks. You can put that many. So in case sudden bad news or something, suddenly if it starts doing something, then it will stop at that particular point. Yeah, you can configure whatever you want. You can configure the timing. You can also configure target profit, right? You don't want to take much risk. You are happy whenever it gives a buy or sell. You want to take 4 ticks or 6 ticks. You can just put some small targets. So whenever it does a buy, if it moves by 4 ticks, it will make you some $100. Again, if it goes down, it gives a sell signal. It moves by 4 ticks, it will give you $100. Like that also, you can play in whichever way you want. So right, immediately it created that stop order here. It also created a, yeah, I did not keep any target. Otherwise, it will create a target and stop loss on the chart. Right, if you want trial stop loss like that, you can keep moving it. As you make profit, you can keep this down. So right around 7 o'clock like that, if you see price below the channel, you can enable long only. If you see price above the channel, you put short only. Then you have high chances of success where price, whenever it goes to the top, it will try to come down. Whenever it comes to the bottom, it will try to go up. In that way, you are in the right direction. Right? You can trade 10 tickers, 20 tickers, 30 tickers at the same time. As long as you see there is some trend volume, and if you see it bottom, do long only. If it is at the top, do short only. If you want to book profits, just you can go here and you can say, right, you already did the sell. Now you have to do buy bid or buy market. But yeah, there is more potential. It can make $400-500 easily. You quickly close the profits for HG. But now what you can do, you can go here, strategies, right? Instead of short only, now you enable long only, right? If you want some profit ticks, you can enable something like, okay, I want 10 ticks or 20 ticks. Or you can just disable this and you select your account and you just enable it. So whenever it starts going up, then it will take the buy signal. You don't need to do it, just enable it. Right now, because it came to the bottom, this is like a buy zone, right? There might be some big investors who want to buy at this price. So after some moments, right, whenever it, right, if it goes little bit down also, there is no risk for us. Only when it reverses the direction, then the algo will take the trade. So when, right, this is the channel. So whenever the price is above the channel, we have to do short only. Whenever it is below the channel, we have to do long only. So whenever price it starts moving up, then we'll get a RC buy and then you'll start making profits. Once it makes some $200 to $50, you can close the trade. Right? It is up to you can have like okay $200 every trade. You don't need to right wait for the algo to close the trade. You can just go and say okay buy bid. Or you can also say buy market. By doing buy bid, you will make more profits. So that is right. You can just manually also close it. When you manually close it, then it will automatically, right? Your strategy will get disabled automatically. Where is NQ? Oh, okay. Actually, it is not disabling it. So yeah, whenever there is a next signal, right? So for example, now you have short only. You can again go back and enable long only, right? So if it comes down, then whenever it starts going up, it will take again another trade. So like that, you don't need to manually watch it. Only thing is you need to see whether do you need to take a long only or short only. If it is at the bottom, you want to buy at the low price and sell at the high price. When you are at the top, you want to sell at the high price. You want to buy back at low price. That's it. You need to enable long only or short only because HG came all the way down. Now there is a possibility next 15-20 minutes again it will start going up. We will do long only. That's why we enabled long only here. Silver, wow, $900. Right, silver went all the way down. It made nearly $900 plus on this account. Right, because it came all the way down, touches the buy zone now, right? These are the green blocks. If you want, you can manually take the profits. So now what you can do, again, you go to strategies. That's it. Apply. Now, if it starts going up, you get a buy signal, then again it will make profits on the other side because it came all the way down to the channel, right? If you see the green blocks, they are like buy order, buy blocks. That is where big companies want to buy. If you see the red blocks, that is where big companies want to sell. So because it came all the way down, now it may start moving up again. So whenever it is at the bottom, you enable long only. Whenever it is at the top, you enable short only. That's it. Now GC also came all the way down. Right, there was a big drop. So now, okay, now yeah, it is already long only. Yeah. So based on where it is in the channel, if it is at the bottom, you enable long only. If it is at the top, you enable short only. That's it. Whenever it comes to the other side, again do the opposite. Yeah, HG may start going up now. Right, it touches this buy order block. Right, in trading view, you can see these order blocks. Right, these are the order blocks. You don't see these numbers there, but basically it is the same order blocks here. You can also write in the US hours, even you can enable in 3 minutes or 2 minutes. So you will get more opportunities or you can enter into the buy signal quickly. Green blocks and red blocks are part of an indicator, right? It is not part of Prism algo, but it is one of the indicators which shows those green blocks and red blocks. SIL is not a valid symbol. You have to use SI. Silver symbol is SI. Right? Indicators are only for you to, right? It won't have any effect on the algo. Indicators are only for your visual representation. For example, it came all the way down, touched the order block. Then instead of waiting for algo to close the trade, I can manually close the trade. That's the main advantage. But the indicators will not have any impact on the algo. Algo will just run it on its own. But if you want to manually take the trades, the indicators will help you, right? If you see there is a buy order block. If you see it start going up, even before the algo taking the trade, you can also do a trade here. Just like in trading, you can take buy and sell. Here also you can do buy bid and sell bid, not sell ask. So it is up to you, like whichever you feel easy to use. You came all the way down, touched the buy order block, started going up. Silver came all the way down the channel. Now it is trying to bounce back. So there is a buy order block here. It may again go and try to touch that again and again it may drop. And that's it. So you have both the options. Either you use the Prism algo and let algo take the trades. You can exit the trades if you want, or you can let the algo only exit the trades also. Right? When you have indicators on the screen, it will just give you an indication that oh, it may still go further down. For example, if there is no block here, I can wait for algo to give me more profits. If I see a block, because algo will always wait for one more candle, right? When it is coming down and if it starts going up, only at candle close, it will take a decision to close or not. But manually, we can close whenever we want. So we saw that there is a order block here, so we just the $800 is good enough. We closed the trade. That's the advantage with indicators. Or you can just disable the algo and just look at, right? As I mentioned, you can put it on a SIM account or something. Whenever you get a sell signal, you see the indicator. So this is at the sell zone and this is at the above the channel. So okay, right? I'll go to a signal. I can also take manually. You can put whatever account you want and you take manually. HK, you need to use symbol SI, not silver, not SIL. Yeah, indicators are free with the Prism algo. You will get them as part of Prism subscription. Yeah, replicant of will work for tradeaway accounts and rhythmic accounts. You can copy to any number of accounts. Manually, instead of we taking the trade, we can let algo just you enable long only. That's it. And don't take any manual trades because if they are bearish, it may just do a small bounce and it may further go down. But most prob generally, if they come below the channel, they will try to go minimum till the 50%. So you have a choice to make some profit. You have a chance to make some profits. Whenever it comes down, it will go into the channel and again drop. Right? That's it, everyone. So every day we can make easily $300-400 minimum on each prop account. If you have 20 accounts, 30 accounts, it is up to you how many accounts you want to open. But there is a huge potential if you take time to practice, learn, have patience. There is a lot of money here. Without investing your own money, you have a great opportunity. Right? Yeah, that's it, everyone. So yeah, you have right nearly last 2 months, 90% of the days we are making every day $400-500. So again, you have to just go here to the strategy section. You can just disable them. When you just click on this, then the algo will stop for the day. Sim account is already part of Ninja Trader, so you don't need to do anything. Sim account is like a paper account in Ninja Trader. Now, Jitu, I already gave you access. You have to restart your Ninja Trader and then you have to import the files which are there in the Google Drive. If you import those files, you will be able to see the bots. If you get the 399 subscription before end of tomorrow, you will get access to trading view indicators and also this Prism bot. There are multiple bots like Prism bot, but I don't want to confuse you with the different types of bots. There is another bot called Spectrum bot, which is also very good. Uh, if you want only Prism, it is $299 per month. If you want like 5 trading view indicators and also Prism bot, it is $399. Every day we are making minimum 399 in one account each and every day. And again, you can use the trading view indicators for stocks, options, currencies, crypto, everything. And this is mainly useful for why can't you download Madhavi? Everybody is able to download. Sometimes you get a block message or something, you have to just unblock it. Yeah, there is no combo subscription for options and futures. Everything is separate. Right, again, you can, if you want only two indicators, right? For example, top trend is one of the top indicator. If you conference with Ultimate D, it will work very good. So then you can even use a free trading view plan. You don't need to pay for trading view. Nagesh, already yeah, if you pay 399, that is per month. Yeah, there is a free trading view plan. Yeah, you get indicators with buy and sell signals. That 1499 is the think or swim indicators. Nagesh, you will see the Google Drive link in the channel. You can just click on that. You will be able to access all the Ninja Trader indicators and the algo. Yeah, for 250K evaluation account, yeah, you have time until June 15th to pass the account. The PA account will still be $87 off offer. Tier 1 Ninja Algo will allow one bot means you can use Prism. You can use Prism for gold or silver or anything. Yeah, you can watch TradingView on mobile also. They have a mobile app. You can watch the notifications and you can watch the signals, everything on mobile. Yeah, I will stop trading here and then if any members, current subscribers, if you have any, Tier 1 comes with only three indicators. Tier 2 comes with five different indicators. So, for example, there is a swing indicator which is very good for stocks. In the same way, you have some indicators which are good for futures. Like that, if you want more indicators so that you can use for stocks and futures, then you go for Tier 2. If you are looking only for futures, then you can go with Tier 1. There is nothing to set up on the mobile, right? Only you have to download the mobile app. Whatever you see on your desktop, you will see the same thing on mobile app for trading view. Yeah, if 3000 is done, yeah, don't trade in that account. Just wait for the Apex will send you an email and then yeah. So there are multiple algos, right? Within right. I am not trying to explain all different ninja algos at same time. So just like Prism algo will take entire trade and make one profit, whereas Spectrum for every candle it will give you profit, right? For example, silver is going down. On first candle it will give you 100, second candle it will give you 100, third candle it will give you 100. So it will keep giving you profits. So that even though there is a sudden move or something, you already booked the profits. So Spectrum algo works like a scalping algo. Prism works in a different way. So there are different algos within Ninja Trader. So we are giving, if somebody takes a TradingView subscription, we are giving Prism as a free for 399 members until tomorrow. But right, if you want just algos, then you if Tier 1 you will get only Prism with the indicators, right, with the Ninja indicators. If you take Tier 2, you will get Prism, Spectrum, and you will get some of the Ninja indicators. If you get like that, we have each tier where you will get more algos, more indicators, which you can explore, and we'll be giving demos of each algo and each indicators. If you don't pass 250K account before July 15th, you may have to pay right higher fee for the PA activation. Other than that, everything will be same. No, as of now, we don't have a lifetime subscription, right? Whenever there is some long weekend or something, we'll give some deals. But as of now, we don't have any lifetime. Ninja Trader will work for trade-away accounts if you use Replicanto. You can use a add-on called Replicanto, which you can connect not only Apex Rhythmic and Apex Trade-away, you can connect another 10, 20 companies at same time. For the same trade, you can, yeah. Yeah, JJ, you have to give, once you subscribe, you have to give your trading view username, and then we'll provide you all the required access and help you if you need any help with the setup. So yeah, because it's already 10:30. So yeah, if anybody need any help tomorrow, I'll help those members. Right, already we did a setup session for more than 2.5 hours this evening, and yeah, we made nice profits, right? Over $1,000 plus, right, around $500-600 with manual trading, another $1,000 plus with the automated trading. So yeah, right, that's it. It is easy. Only thing is just you have to give some time to practice to understand. Nagesh, if you are in the premium channel, you will get all those meeting invites. Yeah, yeah, I'll check and see why you are not getting it. Jitu, I will see, right? Yeah, congrats, Sunil, for completing one more PA. So this is the right. You have to go to Telegram and you have to give that. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Right. Every day we can make a minimum $300-400. Some days it can be much more. No, we don't have any lifetime deal as of now. Only on the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, I give the deal to the existing members. Sunil, it is the same process, just like you did for Apex. You can do the same thing with Bullnox. There is no difference. You have to go set up, get their accounts. So you can trade with Apex Trade Await and Bullnox Rhythmic at same time. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Talk to you tomorrow.